Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable TPM 2.0 in a Windows 10 operating system. First of all, you need to get into your BIOS. So for that, just click on your start button, then click on power, and now while holding shift key we need to click on restart. Then here click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options and click on UEFI firmware settings, and now just again click on restart. Once your PC restarts, you will see that you are in your BIOS, and from here we can enable TPM 2.0. And in order to do that, we need to look for some settings such as security, advanced, or it could be named as trusted computing settings. In your case, I am here getting this security thing. I'll just click on it. So here I have this option trusted computing. If I click on it, now about TPM device selection, we have this option security device support, which is disabled. So let me just enable it, and TPM device selection is set it on PTT. So if you only get option like TPM or PTT, just set it on PTT, or if you have TPM, just set it on TPM. Once you do these changes, exit from the settings. So for that, just hit escape key from your keyboard, and we also have to save these changes. Just click on save and reboot. Once your PC reboots, it's time to check if the TPM is enabled or not. So for that, we need to hit Windows plus R, and right here we need to type this tpm.msc. Once you type that, just click on OK, and here in the status, here you can see the TPM is ready for use. It means that we have successfully enabled TPM 2.0 in our Windows 10 operating system. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.